Hi, thanks for joining me today. I am outside as you can see because today I'm going to be grilling a Cajun chicken. I'm just taking the bird out. I brined it overnight. I took 4 cups of water, 2/3 cups of kosher salt, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I added all of that to a pan, heated it up until it was actually dissolved. I added in 5 cups of ice. I then poured that into this bowl with the bird, and I added 2 more cups of ice to that. If you don't have any ice like that, it's okay to use cold water. It's a beautiful fall day. It is probably about in the 50s, high 60s today. And I am enjoying it because guess what? I can grill without the flies. I can grill without the humidity. I'm not going to be sweating. I'm just going to be sitting out here enjoying this day. Now, for all y'all grill masters out there, um, I am actually using charcoal. I'm not using the chimney method. I don't have time today. It's a little difficult to start it. Usually I have the long starter. I'm going to start off with 3 tablespoons of paprika. And I do have regular paprika, and hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm country, y'all. Paprika. 2 and 3 tablespoons of paprika. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder or granulated garlic. Not garlic salt, garlic powder. Garlic salt may make your dish too salty because that's a lot of garlic. So that's 3 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of onion powder. And if you really like this, you can put this in a nice jar or bag it up, save it, put it with your other spices. And of course, I'm going to be nice. And I'm going to do 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder or red, ground red pepper. Oh, I wish I could do more. But again, I'm not cooking this for myself. But look, you can spice it up how you like it. If you like a spicy chicken, kick it up a notch, as Emerald would say. Kick it up a notch. Let's see here. We're going to throw some herbs in now. So we're going to throw in a tablespoon of thyme. I'm not out of time today. And last but not least, a little oregano. If you don't have oregano, a marjoram will do. Maybe a little rosemary. Not much. And we're just going to mix this up. And get that pretty red color that you know it to be. I think I might add a little bit more paprika today, if you don't mind. Of a tablespoon more, because I love the color. Now this is where all the fun begins. We're gonna baste this or brush melted butter on. I'm gonna get those wings as well. And now I'm just going to sprinkle. You don't have to use all of it. I'm not. I got enough for another day. Okay, there we go. And now I'm just going to let that sit and go check out my grill. Make sure it's ready. Oh, it's getting there. It's almost there. See the little dark spots, but I see that red glow. So in another 5 minutes, I am going to put my bird on. Yes. Now I can enjoy myself and just sit down. It's a beautiful day. I don't know if you can hear those wind chimes. Wind chimes are definitely a nice little relaxing sound. I've added some dry applewood chips. You don't have to do that. But I just like the nice mellow smoke flavor of applewood. And now I'm just going to close it up. I'll check in on it in about 30 minutes. Close it for 30 minutes. I'm going to make sure I'm already vented on the bottom. I'm just going to do a slight vent on the top. I have a vent open in the front and a vent open in the back. So that should keep the fire going, and I'll check on it in 30 minutes. Let's see what it looks like here. All right. Well, it's getting tender. This chicken is so juicy and moist. I guess that's the same word, isn't it? In a sense, I guess it is. But I will tell you, the flavor is throughout this. Every piece of meat, even the breast meat. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I did already taste the breast meat. So I'm not going to show you that because that's kind of tore up right now. But thank you for watching. When you get a chance, like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried this recipe or if you have your own little Cajun spice secret. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.